Put it in your...
Welcome back. Sobrang anghang. I need water. Amo na dyan, baby.
Why are you letting them watching a child?
I'm with you. You're not alone.
Mommy, look at my spoon.
And Brel is eating lugaw with chicken.
Ooh! I thought it's only luga.
Where? No, can you see? There. Ah?
It's chicken.
That's Goto. I ordered chicken. Bakit may tuwalya? Okay, I want that.
I'll try it.
Okay, you try. It's so lambot.
Hey, I like that.
Mm-hmm.
So, can you tie my hair?
I was supposed to do that, but I forgot.
Well, what is even a goto? I don't learn weird stuff. Or I don't know. I don't learn food. I only learn about Turkey stuff.
Panalo, guys. Also, eto pa. Meron din silang pork tapsilog, and pork steak. And of course, I ordered extra bagnet.
Seriously?
Yeah. And my favorite sile.
Really?
Look at this. Yum.
They don't get to see my food. Because it's normal.
You try this.
Hey, I only go half part of not soup.
Taas tayo pa.
Why?
No, just me. I'm inviting them. Because when you eat good food, Filipino food, we usually put our foot. Just one.
On the speaker.
I'm gonna play a nice song.
People usually do that. That's normal.
Okay. And my favorite song is
Where is it?
Lady Gaga.
Right.
But now I'm gonna play your song. Because we're gonna play it on your birthday.
Are you sure that's that one?